So I'm here with a quick video on my new smile from Pop On Veneers. Yes, I said Pop On Veneers. So I got them today, and I'm so excited, y'all. So once I got them, y'all, I just could not stop smiling. So y'all see, like, my teeth now, they're not bad, but they're not great either. So yeah, I'm missing a tooth right here from a Mentos I bet a long time ago, about a few years ago. And then I'm missing one right there. I still keep those. Hey, let me stop, y'all. I'm a little goofy. Don't worry about that. That ain't what I'm on here for. I'm about to show y'all that I did unbox them and I did wear them today. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I got. So what I got was, I got back my mold of my original teeth that I did. So, see how I was missing, like right there, my gap. And then I'm missing a tooth right there. Yeah. And then I also got the sample packs of Polydent. So to put your teeth in overnight in the container. Yeah, that's what they come in. I'm going to show y'all in a minute how to do it. I'm sorry, y'all. My son in the background talking to me. Yeah, mommy see it. It come with a Pop On Veneers toothbrush to keep them brushed and clean. What else we got here? Yeah, make sure you guys rinse your hands and stuff before you do that. Brush your teeth and stuff before you pop them in, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show you guys these. I said I was going to do a review, so I'm going to do a review on them. I'm going to just pop this case open and show y'all. Oh, I got a little mirror on it. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Stop it. Stop it. So, I did have them on, y'all, earlier. But, you see, that's how they look. So, no gap. Oh, maybe I got them turned the wrong way. No gap. And then where the spaces were at, they filled them for me. Like where I was missing a tooth. So that's really great. So they're pretty durable. I mean, I don't think I have a lips, and everybody that I talked to like didn't notice one either. And they were so excited to see me. They was like, "Oh, you looking good, girl." Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap them in real quick. My hand's clean, y'all. I did it before I got on the video. But and they snapped in. I'm sorry if it's a little gross to y'all. Y'all heard that little snap? Yeah. Y'all need to go ahead and get y'all some of these. Now I got $1 million smile now. Yeah. Feeling myself now, y'all see. Go with my gun. Sorry, a little gross. And guess what, guys? I already ordered my spare pair because the girl is not playing. I got to keep my teeth looking good. I won't be eating in these. I won't be probably not even drinking nothing but water or something clear in these because I want to make them last for a long time. Other than that, go ahead and if you looking for that nice smile, go ahead, y'all. Get y'all some Pop On Veneers. Y'all got to have them. Y'all got to have them. You got to have these. I already told like 5 people that's about to order these. Y'all go ahead and get y'all some too. Telling you, you won't regret it. It's going to take a little time to get used to like really talking with them. They was a little snug. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm sorry. I keep looking at my tongue out. But my smile is on point now. I ain't gonna be all shy because I usually do this when I'm talking to people or when I'm laughing. I cover my mouth. Yeah, it won't be none of that no more. But I love them. Thank you, Pop On Veneers. Thank you so much for giving me my smile back. Thank you.